Hi, I'm going to try to record you a tutorial to show you how to take a selfie with your phone. I have no idea if this is going to work. And pardon me if I'm not staring at the camera constantly, I'm still learning. First of all, I have an Android phone. I know you can probably not see that, but Apple might be different. For me, the camera app is right near the top, and you can flip it very readily to selfie mode. And again, the glare, you can't see it. But I set a timer on mine over here in the corner under settings for 2 seconds, just long enough to position my arm. There's also a 5 and a 10-second option. Anyways, that's something I do to give me a chance to get my hand up into a good position, because I have a short arm, and you might find that, oh my god, I always have this fat face when I take a picture because you're holding it down here. More flattering photos are taken from above, so your neck is thin. And what I find is I need a few seconds. I hit the button because the button's on the side. I could set it that way. I choose not to. And then I want to position it, and I know where my camera is, and I even tell people when I'm taking a selfie, you gotta look in the corner here, that's where the camera is. So I practice looking up and smiling before hitting the button. Then, hopefully you can see this, I get a preview in the corner, and I'm looking, the glare is bad, at the camera, and my neck is nice and thin. The other thing I can do is I can use a selfie stick, but I don't have the one with the plug where you hit the button at the end, so you still have to set the timer. I just set the timer longer. But what's nice about that is you can hold it up much further, you can angle the phone this way, and there's a feature in my phone that you may not be aware of called wide selfie. Now, mind you, you hold the phone for this, but it allows you like a picture-in-picture. I don't think you can see it, but you start and you pan across, and it gets the whole room, like when Ellen DeGeneres does it. And I think that's kind of neat, but that's very difficult for me, so I don't do it very often. So the three things are timer, know where your camera is, and practice. Simple as that. And always remember to relax and smile. I mean, it's digital. As long as you're not saving it to a Dropbox in the cloud somewhere, you can delete it and it'll never be seen again. The problem is if you automatically update all your photos, it could potentially be out there for the world to see. Part of the reason I recorded this video here and not through Facebook Live is I wanted to be able to share it to just individual people. Hopefully that helps.